As we have seen in the last video, our Docker image was about 9 gigabytes. So now my plan is to reduce this image with the same, let's see, running with me with the same environment, with the same, let's see, running environment and everything, the same system, let's see. And as you can see here, this is my requirements NumPy image, and this is the last, let's say, the previous one. So what I have done, I just removed the torch vision and also torch, and I have also removed the matplotlib lib and tqdm. This was removed. This was we removed from the, let's say, the requirement. This is the new requirement, but it's not only about removing the torch and torch vision. You have to update also the code itself, so that if you have any file that see import torch, this won't work. You have to remove it and modify your code to accept only a numpy image. That's what I have done. And as you can see here in the static, let's say just to move to the numpy, let's see, fast API only numpy. You can see here there is no max. Let's see, matplotlib. It's already commented out. I will remove it indeed. It's not needed. And also the torch and torch vision was reduced, is removed. So you can see here I have only runtime. No, just only ONNX. You can see compare just these two files. Only these two. You can see here I have ONNX and also the PyTorch. So I have removed the PyTorch because PyTorch is also heavy, and also the model itself it's about 100 megabytes, which is, I would say, it's okay for normal devices. But if you move to edge devices, will be huge. And yeah, so I'm just using ONNX, and everything was removed for, let's see, anything related to the PyTorch is removed. And I have also updated, let me just show you some samples here. Uh, this was also used Torch, and I have removed this. I have removed only just use the the PyTorch, the NumPy. So you have just seen this. Yeah, see. So for instance, two batch. So if you compare this with the two batch of the uh, torch, it's a difference. So here I'm just using NB NumPy, only NumPy. So that's why it should work in my side. So let me just go to the Dockerfile, which is NumPy, and you can see Dockerfile.numpy. This would work, and it's the same as the previous one, but here I have also deleted some files. Sometimes we have this by C, and also this by cache by U. This will be delete. You need to delete this because let me just show you here. Sometimes it will be in, let's see, I don't know, maybe source. I can see this one here. It's not needed. Oops. So this one here is not needed, and you need to maybe to remove it or delete it. So what I have done is just delete these files, and it's not needed. The rest are the same, but I have just changed the directory to the static anuma. And also I have, you can see here, what I see, it's a static anuma detect. Just use this. So I have used the files that haven't used, let's see, depends on the torch. And these are the same, and I have just changed the board, so it's just to make it different from the previous one. So let me just see. And also the building time, it's really fast. So I think few minutes and you will get the image itself. But for the previous one, I think it took mm, 30 minutes, maybe more, just to make the image. But I hope you already see the change. Let's see the difference between running the fast API as a standalone or inside Docker image. Inside Docker image, it was the running time was the inference time was about 400 milliseconds, which is it's quite, let's see, huge. And but if we compare it, when we run this fast API here as a run as standalone, it was 3 seconds. So just you keep in mind, and when you run something in a Docker image, it will be a better for the inference. So I will pause the video and we will see the image itself after finish. As you can see now, it is finished and its building time it was about 2 minutes. Let's see, and here you can see. Let me just open this Docker image. I have already deleted the previous one because my space it's I have no, let's see, enough space, so I have to remove it. And next time I will show you how to. So most of you, let's say, use Docker desktop, but you have the problem of the C drive is full. So I will try to show you next time how to move this Docker into another drive. But let's just focus now on this. And here I have the image itself. I mean the image, and I can go here and run. We will see how to run it also in a command line. And let's see, just go to the files. The files is identical to the same as the previous one, but here we have NumPy NB, and here's the ONNX, only ONNX. And let's see if we can run that. Localhost, it should be 8080. I don't know. Let's see, run it from the C. So as you can see, FastAPI, you can see the image itself. And here the bot was 8080, and the image name it was fast anoma vision, and the tag is NumPy. So you can see, I'll just copy this, do this again, run it only here, it's fine. Unable to find an image with the latest. Which is the latest? It's not copied, everything. Noma Vision NB. So let's refresh this page. No idea why it's not working, but let's just see here. Now, fine. So let's delete this. This is a container, so you can delete it. So run, you can see it will give you this. Now let's run our streamlit, called streamlit. So this will give us can't connect to EBI. Okay, yeah, I got it. Because I will try to parameterize this because every time we need to change this. I mean, this is only it came to my mind when I got 9 gigabytes, which is too much, and I said I need to let's see, minimize this. So now I will run it again, and it will listening to this to port 8080. Now you can see it's healthy. Go to the data sets, maybe here, bottom images, contamination, this for instance. Because see for the first run it was 90 let's see 1 second. and you can see this is the height map, and this is the boundary visualization, or let's see localization. Let's do it again, and with this image, as you can see, it's 34, 94. It's like almost the same as the previous one, right? So, but when I tested yesterday, it was 19 and 20 millisecond, or let's see, 200 millisecond. Okay, let's change the images. Yeah, anyway, this is the how to let's see, minimize the image. You can see here, this is the image size. It's less than 1 GB, as I have promised. That's it for today, and yeah, see you next time, and thanks for watching.